Hey everyone, walking over, forgot what bridge it is, but in London, beautiful bridge. In this video, I'm gonna go over why I prefer to trade options over stock. So professional investors, professional traders use the derivatives market to really maximize return, or the options market. And the reason why I like options is A, for small accounts, you can get greater leverage than you can with stocks. For example, let's say you wanna buy 1,000 shares of a stock that's $1, so you're tying up $1,000 of capital. On the flip side, you could buy 100 contracts of a 10-cent option, and you're gonna put in $1,000 of risk out there. Now, let's say that stock goes up 10%. So you'll make, on that $1,000, you'll make $100. But with options, that option may go from a dime to, let's say, 50 cents. So you're 5xing your return. Now, especially when there's let's say a large news event and the stock spikes, let's say even 10, 20, or even 30%, obviously that's fantastic. With the stock, with those options can really go up 3, 4, 500% in value. And that's how you can really take that small account that you have, and let's say it's a $10,000 small account, and turn it into $50,000 or $60,000 in a short amount of time period. So A, margin requirements work in your favor. Buying power works in your favor. You're gonna have more positions on. Let's say, with a small account, you can only do a certain amount of stock positions, so your buying power is tied up. With options, you can have multiple. And my number one thing is, every trade, you have a max loss. So your option can only go to zero, or the premium you pay for the options if you're buying calls and puts out there. I prefer options. I'm an options guy. For some of the stocks that don't have options, I'll still play them. For professionals, trade options.